Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Thought Cup Project. I'm doing my bi-weekly trip to Little India in Toronto, and I thought I'll take you guys with me today. If you live in Toronto, the Little India is a streetcar ride east from College subway station. This is a dreadful trip to make in the winter times, but in the spring and summer, it's a lot of fun. So we're here in Little India. I don't know about you, but for me, any journey needs to either start or end with food. And today we're gonna start our trip by going to my favorite South Indian restaurant in Little India called Udupi Palace. I'm so excited. The items that they serve here is a little different than what you might be used to in an Indian restaurant because this is more of a South Indian restaurant. So the things you'll see here are like dosas and idlis and vadas, which are all gluten-free and vegan. So this is my producer and I trying to have a little meeting, but we're having a little too much fun because we're way too excited for our food. So this is a classic South Indian dish known as a rasavada, which is basically a lentil fritter that is dipped in a tangy, spicy tomato gravy known as rasam. So it almost looks like an old-fashioned donut, but it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's made of lentils, so it's super high in protein, and these are all great excuses to eat something deep-fried. So here I've ordered some soy kebabs. I've never tried these before, but I always like trying new things that are vegan and gluten-free in any menu. And here we have our mains. So we both ordered some dosas, which is basically a lentil and rice crepe slash pancake. My dosa is smeared with this delicious looking red chutney, and there's also a potato curry that goes in the dosa. So how you eat this is you break a piece of the dosa, scoop a little bit of the potato mixture and dip it in one of the condiments that's on the plate. If you want to know how to make delicious chutneys like this at home, I also have a video on how to make that, so check it out. So now we have the energy to go on our shopping trip, finally. I love coming here because I get to find traditional Indian produce. Over here, as you can see, I have these bottle gourds. Cucumbers also belong to the gourd family, fun fact. And it's a nice alternative for starchy heavy vegetables like potatoes. These are Indian long beans. I wanted to buy these, but this is way too much, so I don't think I'm gonna get them. So we're on our way to the Indian supermarket. You can find everything and anything Indian, from Indian soaps to produce, spices, and incense. So these are curry leaves, and I have to pick myself some every time I'm here. They are my favorite herbs. They're super traditional to South Indian cooking. I think they're one of the best smelling and tasting herbs out there. It has a super subtle and beautiful aroma, and it also has a lovely earthy flavor that you can add to any dish. So I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Little India in Toronto. And if you have a Little India where you stay, I'd highly recommend for you to check it out. If you don't have a Little India, that's completely fine. Bigger grocery stores also seem to have Indian food sections. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for interesting ingredients and let me know what you find. And I'll see you next time.